I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Rapidapi and confirming your email. This unlocks API subscriptions. Once signed in, create or pick a project so keys are organized per app. Make sure billing details are entered only if the API requires a paid plan. Many offer free or trial tiers. This immediate setup prevents interruptions later. You're now ready to search and subscribe to an API. Proceed to find the exact API endpoint and review its usage limits before subscribing. Once you find the API, read its docs and sample requests so you know required headers like xRapid API key and any path/query params. Subscribe to the plan that matches your expected calls per minute and data needs. Subscriptions can switch later. After subscribing, go to your dashboard or the API's testing tab to reveal the API key and host values. Copy them now. Also copy the base URL and examples. These reduce errors when you implement requests in code or tools like curl or Postman. Now integrate the key into your app. Attach xRapid API key and xRapid API host headers exactly as shown. Test endpoints with minimal payloads to confirm authentication and parse responses, log status codes and response times. Once working, implement retry/backoff for 429 and cache frequent responses to reduce calls. If you hit errors, check dashboard logs and quota usage. Troubleshooting tip: if requests fail, regenerate or rotate the key, update your app, and immediately audit recent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.